A lot of old people are lovely. Some of them are fucking horrible. As you can imagine, I stay in nice hotels. Ooh. Anyway, I'm staying in this very, very nice hotel. I came out of my room and two old girls came out at exactly the same time. Proper old they were proper old. They weren't elderly, they were ancient. I got to the first set of swing doors and I held them open. And they came through. Nothing. Okay. I got to the next set of swing doors. They came through again. Nothing. Okay. So I got to the lift doors and I held them open. And they came round the corner. Oh, they were all pleased. I'm holding the doors open. They were all... As they got to the doors, I shut them. And just as they were closing, I went through the gap. Slags.